What's up, everybody? I got Carlos with me. In that last video, you saw us. We were working on the insulation. As you can see, the whole unit is fully insulated. You can see the sound channels that have been installed in the back there. Carlos, so what are we working on next?
We are about to start installing drywall.
Ooh, nice.
So, yeah, we need to do some 5/8 in all the exterior walls.
Okay.
And also ceilings.
Okay.
And then a 1/2 inch in interior walls.
So the drywall's over here. I see you got some pieces.
This is one of them.
Okay.
This one is mold resistant one.
Ah, that's for the
That
kitchen?
one goes over there.
Okay. So not all drywall is the same then?
No. Some of them are a little different.
And how much drywall is going to take for the whole unit?
I'm not really sure, but I'll say about 45 sheets.
And what are we doing for the ceilings? Are we doing drywall also on the ceiling as well?
Yes. So it's going to be, like I was telling you, 5/8 drywall.
Oh, the whole unit.
Yeah, exterior walls, soundproof wall,
Okay.
and ceilings.
Nice. And so basically, and then after the drywall, what's the process after that?
We are going to install the floor.
Okay.
And we're gonna set up the tile.
Oh, okay.
We can work that out at the same time. And also, we're gonna start checking the purchases of the kitchen, and then
All the cabinets and
yes,
sinks
and of course the taping. As soon as we pass the inspection, we need to do the taping on the drywall.
Oh, so there's a drywall inspection, like after the drywall's complete?
Yes, it's going to be a drywall inspection, and then right after, it's not going to be any more inspections until final.
Okay, so is it the same
final.
inspector that was here previously?
I think so.
Oh, okay, nice.
City may change it, but
Yeah.
then it's gonna be good.
So that's before the taping of the drywall.
Right.
Okay, and then after it's inspected and passes, then it's taping and then flooring.
Yes, right before flooring, we need to do Redguard, the whole entire unit.
What's that?
Redguard is going to be a moist barrier. So it's not going to pass the moist from the dirt to the floor.
Okay.
So we need to do Redguard in the whole area.
Okay.
And then right after, we can do tile, we can do laminate, any kind of floor.
Nice. Okay. Has there been any hiccups or any challenges that you've had?
No.
No. Been easy. Been good.
Kind of.
Nice.
Yes. So right now we are just finishing doing some.
Yeah, that's what Gustavo's doing.
Yeah, like installing the last backings.
Okay.
For the drywall. So make sure that we have somewhere where we can see the drywall up. And then right after we can start installing drywall.
Sweet.
So we're gonna do that right next to.
Awesome. And how long should all that take? How long should the drywall take?
It should be a couple of days.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Relatively quickly.
Yes, 1-2 days.
So tomorrow you're going to be installing the drywall?
I am not going to be able to be here.
Oh, okay.
But
next week?
yes, the beginning of next week.
Cool. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Awesome. You can see in the clip that they had to remove this whole curve here with the jackhammer to make it level so the drywall will go all the way down to the floor. What's up, everybody? You know it's a good day when we passed inspection. Woohoo! The inspector was just here. He took a look at everything and we are good to go. Now let's go ahead and go inside and I want to show you what he was inspecting. All right, let's open up the front door here to our nice little home and check this out. Okay, like Carlos was mentioning earlier, all the drywall is complete, and that's what he was inspecting, to making sure that was done. And also, if you look at the floor, there's the Red Guard, which is a moisture and cracking prevention membrane that they paint on the floor. So we had to make sure that that was complete. But take a look at this drywall, everybody. Let me go ahead and close the door behind me so that way I can circle around. But wow. So this is the first step in the drywall process. You guys see all the cracking and all the screws and stuff. That all is going to be taped up and then painted over that. But let's continue the walkthrough. And you can tell all the tools have been removed to make sure that because they had to paint the floor. But yep, each and every room, ceiling, closets, everything has been drywalled. And it is really starting to come together now. Now it's pretty much starting to work on all the finishing touches. So we're going to be adding the taping, the paint, then it'll be flooring. We're going to go ahead and finish up the electrical. The bathroom is also done, you guys. So let's take a look at here. Got the tub in there. We got all the moisture guard on the walls there where the shower is. Yeah, we really looking like a home now. Got the attic crawl space right there, but take a look at these vaulted ceilings. Boy, oh boy. Natural skylights in here. It really feels so open. It's just unbelievable how this was a garage space previously, and now it's our home. It's gonna be somebody's home. This is amazing. Really happy with the architectural design of this and how it came out. All right, wrapping up this video here. In the next video, you guys are going to see us working on the taping, the painting of the whole unit, and then some flooring after that. Electrical may be done in between there. I'll keep you guys updated on that. But wow, it's unbelievable how quickly this has come together. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this. Thank you so much, you guys. Peace.